Hello everyone, welcome to part 72 of Advanced Ecom series in Laravel 7. So we are going to continue working on in our listing page, and in this video, in last video you have seen that we able to get the data with the help of Ajax. So we are working on the sort filter. We want that every time if user select any of the filter option, then all the products will be loaded with the help of Ajax. Okay, we don't want to refresh the complete page, and in the last video we have seen that we able to get the sort and URL variables data with the help of Ajax, and now it is the time to show the products. Okay, so we are working on one condition here. If the data is coming in Ajax, then we are printing here, we are debugging our code, and now we are going to fetch the details from our query after using the both sort and URL option. Okay, so here in else condition we can see this sort option was there, but now this sort option is not required in else, because else in else condition we know that user not selected anything. Else condition will work whenever user will just open the listing page. Okay, user not selected any of the filter, user not selected any of the sort option, nothing user have selected, user just open the listing page. Okay, and that time else option will work, because else option will work if the Ajax is not selected, and Ajax is not selected because user not selected any kind of filter, any kind of sort option. So I am going to remove this sort from here, and will put this part, I will do like this, sorry. Okay, so this is our else part, and I am going to put this one there, but okay, so what I'm going to do one thing here, I am going to put first of all this complete code in there, then I'm going to remove the unwanted code from else. Okay, so here I'm going to put all the code like this, fine, and now in else I am going to remove this code that is not required. Now see, only thing, if you want to put, you can put order by. Okay, but if it is required, otherwise you can remove this part at all. Okay, so it will work in else. Every time the user open, this part will work, and this part will work only if Ajax will come into play, only if the user select any of the sort option from here. And for filters as well, see, whenever from next video we will start working on the filters. Here in sidebar filters will come, and if he will select any of the filter option, then again this only this Ajax part, only this Ajax function, only this this one, if condition, we are going to work within this if condition. We will not do anything with the else condition. Okay, so now here do one thing, make one variable $URL, and we know that we are getting the URL dollar in data, so we will just add here like this URL we will get and put in our URL. So we no need to change here. See, URL we are using, so this one we can disable. So now we are not changing anything. Here you can see, now here we need to change now $get. See, earlier on we need to send the data here in URL, and we are getting the data from the $get, but now $data, see, we are getting the sort as well in $data. Okay, see, you can see sort. So here we just require to replace this one with $data. So we are directly getting the data from Ajax, and we are using here like this. So now we can try. So first of all, I want to debug as well, but we can try that. If it will work, then we are, if it will not work, then we are going to debug. So let's see. So this, first of all, this else part is working of our code, where it is showing all the products together. Now I am going to select one of the option, like lowest price first. See, it is showing all the data inside this one, so there is the issue. So we need to check why it is showing the complete data there in our listing blade file. Okay, so it must only show this part, not the complete page inside. So we need to check once that why this issue is coming. We need to check that why it is coming inside. And okay, so see here, it will not come, listing will not come. We will only use this Ajax products listing. Okay, because in Ajax products listing our products are coming in Ajax products listing after Ajax. Okay, so now we just need to replace this one in only in if condition, not in else condition. In else condition we will keep listing blade file, and in if condition we are going to pick whenever Ajax will work, then we are going to get the products from the Ajax blade file. Okay, not from the listing blade file. So now we are going to check. Now we'll check here latest products, and you can see now the changes are coming. Now only these things are only the products are refreshing, and sort is working. Now you can sort like lowest products first. See here the lowest products are coming 300, 500, 1000, 1500. Okay, so without refreshing the page, only the products are refreshing here. See, if you will select any option like product name A to Z, product name A to Z, so now see arrow gap, so it is coming alphabetical wise without refreshing the page is not refreshing here. You can check that page is not refreshing. Okay, so lowest price first, see only this part is refreshing, and it makes the page really very fast. Okay, so it is really good. See highest price first, so see now 1500, then 1000. So page is not refreshing, only these products are refreshing. Okay, so now our Ajax is working fine, and you can also check in our console as well that everything is working fine now, and we are getting this data, this loop only every time. If you will load something like product name A to Z, and you can check here that we are getting the data of our, see this is the data that we are getting, the data that is required for this loop only. Okay, so now it is working very much fine, and you can try this one at your end. And in next video we will start working on the filters as well. We are going to give here the filters, like we will give here the sleeve filter, those next filter, whatever fabric pattern, all the filters we are going to give here with the check boxes every time. If you will check some of the filter, and that also we are going to do in Ajax, and the page will not refresh, only these products will refresh along with the sort. Both the filters we are going to do together. So we are going to do the high level kind of filters. Okay, like we are going to see in Amazon or any other big website, there are many filters, and user can able to sort the filter. User can able to use those filters and for their required products. Okay, so that thing we are going to do in next video, so stay tuned for that. If you have any queries, you can surely contact me. Okay, and I hope that you able to do this one. Okay, so that's all for now. Have a nice time. Goodbye.